What if our solar system holds a massive secret? An undiscovered planet 5 times the size of Earth, hiding far beyond Neptune. For centuries, we believed the solar system ended with Pluto. But some scientists are now convinced there's another world out there, tugging silently on the orbits of known planets. And they call it Planet X. But how do we find a planet we can't even see? Let's take a step back to understand how humans first discovered planets. Ancient astronomers, without telescopes, mapped the night sky by watching the stars move night after night. They noticed some objects didn't behave like stars. These wanderers, the original planets, moved across the backdrop of fixed stars. Using just observation, ancient Babylonians identified Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. But Uranus? That one had to wait until 1781. It was discovered by accident by William Herschel, who initially mistook it for a comet using a handmade telescope. Only after watching its path did astronomers realize it was orbiting the sun. Not like a comet, but like a planet. That changed everything. Then came Neptune. Its discovery wasn't accidental, it was predicted using math. Astronomers noticed Uranus wasn't moving exactly as expected. Its orbit was being pulled by something unseen. In 1846, French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier calculated where this mystery planet should be. When astronomers looked, they found Neptune within a single degree of his predictions. This method, using gravitational perturbations, opened a new era. Planets could now be found by the ripples they left behind, even if they were invisible. Which brings us back to Planet X. In recent decades, astronomers have studied the orbits of icy objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with frozen debris and dwarf planets. Some of these objects have oddly tilted or elongated orbits, as if being pulled by something massive and far away. In 2016, researchers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown published a paper suggesting that a planet 5 to 10 times Earth's mass could explain these anomalies. They even estimated its orbital path, an elongated ellipse that takes 20,000 years to circle the Sun. They believe the probability of this being coincidence is just 0.4%. In other words, they claim Planet X's existence is 99.6% likely. Skeptics argue it could be a statistical illusion, a fluke in our data. Or maybe the Kuiper Belt just has more variety than we thought. But the evidence keeps growing. New surveys are being conducted with massive sky-scanning telescopes like Vera C. Rubin Observatory, which will soon provide unprecedented data. If Planet X exists, this is how we'll find it. Not by seeing it directly, but by tracking its invisible fingerprints across the solar system. Some even suggest Planet X might not be a planet at all, but a primordial black hole the size of a bowling ball, but with Earth-like mass. That's speculative, but not impossible. What's clear is this. Just as Neptune was revealed through math, Planet X might be the next planet discovered through pattern, deduction, and persistence. At infinity beyond, we believe the unknown corners of our solar system may hold surprises we can't yet imagine. And one day soon, a blurry dot in a telescope could rewrite everything we know about our cosmic neighborhood.